Vienna, a city shaped by imperial legacy and a deeply rooted cultural tradition. Defined by magnificent Baroque architecture, elegant gardens, and powerful 19th and 20th century art. But what truly defines Vienna lies beyond its grand facades, in the stories, the traditions, and the atmosphere you can still feel today. In this video, we step into the very heart of Vienna.
So buy me time, buy me time, baby. Oh, I know it's in the late hour. I've crossed the line.
This is Schönbrunn Palace, the summer residence of the Habsburg Empire and home to one of the most powerful dynasties in Europe. With over 1,400 rooms, this wasn't just a palace, it was the heart of an empire. And if you want to truly understand Vienna, this is exactly where it begins.
But baby, you're on my world, yeah. I'm begging you, please don't leave me out.
We grab our tickets and take a quick look around. Right by the entrance, there's a small cafe. Busier than expected, clearly a popular stop before heading inside. But our focus is already on the palace. From the outside, it feels monumental. And now, it's time to see what lies beyond these walls. The moment you step inside, history almost comes alive. Through light, movement, and detail, the past unfolds right in front of you. But the real impact builds as you move deeper. These staircases, these ceilings, they were built for one purpose: to impress. We're standing in one of the palace's most magnificent halls. Official receptions and imperial balls were held right here. The gold details and ceiling frescoes weren't just decorative, they were statements of power. But as we move further inside, the atmosphere begins to shift. Beyond the grandeur, the spaces become more personal. Franz Joseph was disciplined and duty-driven. Sisi, on the other hand, resisted court protocol and longed for freedom. She became an icon of beauty across Europe. Yet that image required hours of care and strict routines. For her, this palace was both a stage and a limitation. And perhaps that contrast is what makes Schönbrunn so compelling. Schönbrunn isn't only about its interiors. The gardens are just as much a part of the experience. Under a gray winter sky, the symmetry feels softer, almost weightless. Snow settles quietly along the paths, changing the mood of the entire space. It's a different kind of grandeur, quieter, but just as powerful. At the top stands the Gloriette, built in 1775 during the reign of Maria Theresa. It was designed as a monument to imperial strength and as a frame for the entire palace below. From here, you don't just see Schönbrunn, you understand its scale. Back in the city center, the pace shifts instantly. Hofburg still carries the weight of history, but down here, Vienna moves. Cafés spill onto the streets, conversations fill the air, and St. Stephen's Cathedral towers over it all.
Since you came around, something struck me.
course, a quick stop for a Viennese sausage. This is Vienna in motion. Not distant history, but something happening right now.
It's not hard to see why I was feeling down. You saw right through it all. Oh, I could not fake it, no matter how I tried. Ooh, you cured my aching heart when you came around.
We're inside one of Vienna's most impressive spaces. It's also one of the must-see places in the city. You can think of this library almost like a small museum. It houses around 200,000 historic works and is often considered one of the most beautiful libraries in the world. The ceiling frescoes, gold details, and towering shelves make it far more than a reading room. Vienna gained its strength not only through music and architecture, but through knowledge as well. And of course, Mozart. Vienna was the city where he composed some of his most important works. His presence is still part of the city's identity, subtle but impossible to ignore. But Vienna isn't only about the past. In winter, the city takes on a completely different energy. The ice rink in front of the Rathaus becomes one of the liveliest spots in town. Lights, music, constant movement, everyone gliding in the same rhythm. Skating beneath historic buildings adds another layer to the experience. On one side, imperial architecture. On the other, laughter and speed. That balance is what truly makes this city special. We're not quite finished yet. Just next to the Rathaus rises the Natural History Museum, famous for its vast scientific collections and remarkable exhibits. It's a different kind of grandeur, and it's worth a closer look. Opened in 1889, the Natural History Museum is home to one of Europe's most important scientific collections. Its vast archives span millions of years, from the origins of life to the development of our planet. Walking through these halls feels less like visiting a museum and more like stepping into a timeline of discovery. Vienna is a city of layers, imperial in its grandeur and alive in its streets. For you, what made Vienna stand out the most? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for exploring it with us. If you enjoyed this journey, consider subscribing and joining us for the next destination. Next, we're heading to Rome, a city where ancient ruins stand in the middle of everyday life. History isn't behind glass there, it surrounds you. See you in Rome.